Hello dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your go-to source for weight loss, health and wellness tips. Today, we're embarking on a practical journey to discover the healthiest foods you need in your diet, backed by expert advice. Whether you're striving for weight loss, better immunity, or overall vitality, these nutrient-rich foods will supercharge your health and transform your life. So, come on and join us as we uncover the secrets to optimal nutrition and empower you to make informed choices for a healthier body and a better future. Stay until the end of the video for a secret nutritious food that will boost your healthy diet to a higher level. First, we need to have a real understanding of the importance of nutrition. Good nutrition forms the foundation of good health, but on the other hand, poor nutrition can also make a mess out of it. Providing the essential nutrients to our body is so important but so overlooked most of the time. We need good nutrition to thrive. From vitamins and minerals to antioxidants and fiber, each nutrient plays a vital role in supporting your body's functions and preventing disease. By prioritizing nutrient-dense foods in your diet, you can fuel your body with the building blocks it needs for repairing, optimal performance and longevity. Next, we will learn about the power of high nutrient-dense foods that you need to get into your food plan on a daily basis. Here are the most nutrient-rich foods you have to have in your food plan, either if you just want to be healthier or if you want to lose those extra pounds. These are the ones you need in your kitchen. Nutrient-rich food number 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Incorporating these greens into your diet can boost immunity, support digestion, and reduce the risk of chronic disease. Remember to cook your spinach because of its high concentration of oxalates. These oxalates are capable of blocking your ability to absorb nutrients and creating kidney stones, so, by cooking your spinach you dramatically reduce oxalates concentration to almost nothing. Nutrient-rich food number 2. Berries. Berries are bursting with flavor and nutritional benefits. From strawberries and blueberries to raspberries and blackberries, these colorful fruits are loaded with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. You can enjoy them fresh or frozen for a delicious and nutritious dessert to your healthy food plan. Nutrient-rich food number 3. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health, brain function, and chronic inflammation regulation. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week for maximum benefits. You can also get yourself a good quality omega-3 supplement if needed. Nutrient-rich food number 4. Nuts. Nuts are nutrient-dense foods that provide a bunch of health benefits. Packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, they can help reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and support weight management by improving satiety. Incorporate a variety of nuts and seeds into your diet for optimal nutrition. You can have half to a full cup of nuts per day with no problems, but remember to soak them in water for at least 8 hours and dry them before you enjoy them. Nutrient-rich food number 5. Protein-dense foods. Protein is the building block of your body. It is essential for muscle repair, immune function, and overall health. Incorporate protein-rich foods like lean cuts of meat, poultry, eggs, and turkey into your meals to support muscle growth, satiety, metabolism and body repair. A good tip here is to get those grass-fed, grass-finished cuts of meat, since they are a healthier option to have. Nutrient-rich food number 6. Avocados. Avocados are rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, potassium and antioxidants. They promote satiety, support brain health, and can reduce the risk of heart disease. Add avocado to salads, sandwiches, and smoothies for a creamy and nutritious boost. They also have an abundance of potassium, a very important electrolyte to keep your whole body hydrated and functioning accordingly. Nutrient-rich food number 7. Colorful vegetables. Vibrantly colored vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, and olives are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and phytochemicals. They support immune function, promote healthy skin, feed your friendly bacteria and can reduce the risk of chronic disease and chronic inflammation. Aim to have at least 7 cups of these rich veggies every day for a better and healthier life. We have learned about nutrient-dense foods and their benefits, so it's time to learn what are the practical tips for incorporating these healthy foods into your daily food plan. Now that you know the top healthiest foods to include in your diet, it is time to put that knowledge into practice, Here are some practical tips for incorporating them into your daily routine. Meal prep. Spend time planning and preparing nutritious meals in advance to make healthy eating easier and more convenient. Remember not to overeat during a given day. Have a maximum of 3 nutrient-dense meals each day. Remember to make sure to prioritize your macros in order, starting with proteins, veggies and healthy fats mainly. Variety is key. Experiment with different foods and recipes to keep your meals interesting and enjoyable. Incorporate a variety of colors, flavors, and textures to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. These is also a good way to have a better microbiome. It is a very good idea to look for new recipes in social media, always having in mind that you are in control of what you eat. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel and adjust your diet accordingly. Eat mindfully, savoring each bite, and stop when you're satisfied. And now, as promised, the secret delicious and nutritious food that can take your healthy diet to a higher level. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a pillar of the Mediterranean diet and is prized for its numerous health benefits. Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, it can help you get a healthier skin and hair. It feeds your friendly microbiome, reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and protect against heart and brain disease. Use extra virgin olive oil as a healthy cooking oil and drizzle it over your salads and vegetables for a flavorful and nutritious addition to your meals. And if you suffer of constipation, take 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil 3 times a day to improve your evacuations. It is important to have in mind that when it comes to extra virgin olive oil, you always have to choose quality over quantity. Storing extra virgin olive oil properly is essential to maintain its freshness, flavor, and nutritional quality. Here is how to effectively store your olive oil. Choose the right container. Opt for dark-colored glass bottles or tin containers to protect the oil from exposure to light, which can cause oxidation and degradation. Avoid plastic containers, as they may leach harmful chemicals into the oil over time. Keep it cool. Store your olive oil in a cool and dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat sources, such as stoves or countertops. Excessive heat can accelerate oxidation and cause the oil to become rancid. Ideally, store it in a pantry or cupboard with a consistent temperature. Seal it tight. Once opened, ensure that the container is tightly sealed to prevent air from entering and oxidizing the oil. Oxygen exposure can lead to rancidity and a loss of flavor. After each use, recap the bottle securely to maintain its freshness. Minimize air exposure. As you use the olive oil, try to minimize air exposure by pouring it gently and quickly recapping the bottle after using it. Oxygen is one of the primary factors that contribute to oil degradation, so reducing air exposure can help maintaining its nutrition and quality. Use a dispenser. Consider using a pour spout or dispenser with a built-in cap to control the flow of oil and minimize spillage and exposure to air. Some dispensers even come with airtight seals to further protect the oil. Avoid refrigeration. While refrigeration can prolong the shelf life of some oils, it is not recommended for extra virgin olive oil. Cold temperatures can cause the oil to solidify and become cloudy, altering its texture and flavor. Plus, refrigeration can introduce moisture, which can lead to condensation inside of the bottle and promote rancidity. Check for signs of spoilage. Periodically inspect your olive oil for any signs of spoilage, such as off flavors, unpleasant odors, or cloudiness. Rancid oil may also have a greasy or soapy taste. If you notice any of these signs, it's best to discard the oil and replace it with a fresh bottle. If you follow all of these storage tips, you can ensure that your extra virgin olive oil remains fresh, flavorful, and nutritious for as long as possible. In conclusion, there you have it, friends. Incorporating nutrient-rich foods into your diet is one of the most important steps you can take to support your weight loss, health and well-being. By prioritizing leafy greens, berries, fatty fish, protein-dense foods, avocados, and colorful vegetables, you can nourish your body from the inside out and thrive for years to come. Also, adding extra virgin olive oil into the mix can boost your healthy food plan to the next level. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover the healthiest foods for your diet. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Levitas channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for our latest content on weight loss, health and well-being. Don't forget to leave a comment sharing your questions, your favorite healthy foods and recipes. We love hearing from you. Your support helps us grow and create even better content for you every week. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going. Enjoy your best life.